Dance on the street, it's all yours. It's yours to dance with, just don't touch anything.
Hey yo viewers.
Hey yo viewers.
It is July 20th, the year 2020.
It is.
Hopefully if you're watching this in 5 years, you don't have to wear masks.
Well, you're wondering why are you wearing masks?
Yeah.
Maybe you have a little PTSD about the COVID. You forgot it existed.
Yeah.
Applause.
It's been 2 minutes in this Florida heat, and I'm already tired of wearing this mask. I would like to go back to the room right now.
Nope.
We're in the TTC heading to Magic Kingdom. And if you know anything about this channel, you know, like, I love Magic Kingdom.
Do you?
I like it. I want to ride Splash Mountain right now. Splash Mountain is gonna close at some point, but it's hot. But then, like, you look at the temperature, it's probably like 77 degrees. Yeah, right.
No, it's a fly.
He's laughing with it, man.
I still don't think it's as bad as Marathon 2020 right now.
Let me start running and I'll tell you.
All right, I'll hold the camera. What do you think?
It's the first time I've run since July 4th, which is like over 2 weeks ago.
Tell me about your thoughts and feelings of running through a Magic Kingdom parking lot.
It brings back memories of Christmas Duffy during the half marathon of Dopey 2020.
There you go.
Stopped for that one. Insert picture here. We'll see you inside. Because I'm gonna try not to talk because it's hot, it's humid here, and I may die in this mask.
That would be sad.
It's like good news. Our temperature screening passed. We are apparently clear of the COVID, even though it's like maybe 50% of cases have fever.
Could be asymptomatic.
So, yeah, that's it. Past the security. Bad news is I'm sweating inside my mask. Am I in a park yet? No.
Nope.
Where are we going? I don't know. You want to go to a boat?
All right, let's do monorail.
Monorail. Oh yeah, there's no one there. Not a lot of people here.
There's not a lot of
people here. But they have stuff on the ground to see like how far away you should be from people.
Good.
Well, that's good.
Grocery store.
So one positive thing the COVID has brought us, it's a private monorail car.
For two.
Yes.
I feel like Richie Rich or Macaulay Culkin in Blank Check.
Usually I'm like right there on that bar, like trying not to fall out.
We will not be licking any of the poles.
No, I'm like only my butt is touching something.
Yeah. Ready to book a table serve.
Yeah.
Dining.
Yeah.
I would go to be our guest right now.
Yeah.
Take my mask off.
Yes. That's how they're gonna make the money. Get people to get into table service restaurants.
Works for me.
Yeah, and totally works on people like us.
Yes, because we don't like sweating.
Nope. Disney first.
Disney first.
We've never been to MK together.
Ever in our lives.
Ever.
This is a good one to have it first time, I think. It's pretty auspicious.
Yeah. We only have like 2 hours here though.
Yeah, which is all we need.
Because we gotta go eat.
But
not here.
Not here. Except I'm gonna get a sneaky snack, and I'm gonna undo previous statements I've made, and I'm gonna eat a sneaky snack. I in the past have besmirched, but I'm gonna go for it because I'm hungry.
Casey's. No one is here. It's awesome.
It's my favorite part because you'll see.
It's my dance. It's my no one's.
I want you to go frolic because there's no one here. Frolic for me, frolic. Take up that room. Dance on the street, it's all yours. It's yours to dance with, just don't touch anything.
I want to cross the street to go to get food, but princesses are in the way. We pretty much just had a personal photo session with a PhotoPass photographer because there's no one here.
That was awesome.
And it's great. Where are we going? We're going here.
I don't mind the hot because when you're in big crowds of people anyway, like you get smothered with other people's like
body heat,
sweat, experiences, memories. I really feel like I don't have to deal with other people here except for you, and I like you.
What?
Yep.
A haunted mansion was a nice respite from the heat, and now it's hot again. Dang, Florida. Oh, now I'm going out to socialize with the heat. I don't know, not even my favorite in quotations MK Quick Serve is open. Columbia Harbor House, everyone. AKA Long John Silver's of Disney.
Noted.
Now we're gonna eat Pecos Bill. Some nachos.
Nachos and queso.
Something to hold us over 4 hours before dinner. Because Chef Art Smith is gonna cook dinner for us.
There he is.
As per the usual. Like a box of Dunkin Hines brownie mix. Moist, brown. Yeah. So, Pecos Bill. I know we were in an MK Quick Serve. I know.
Moist and brown. He's funny. I like him.
So, here we are getting our nachos. And look, it's like no one here.
I said I wanted a snack, so I got pork nachos and queso and guacamole on the side. There's a lot of moistness happening here. So that's what we're up to.
Dunkin Hines. That's what I am. Ta-da! Face is wet.
Mine isn't anymore. I used a napkin on it. I'm not wearing makeup at any point in this trip. The only reason I'm wearing makeup now is because we flew here today. I didn't want to look busted on the plane.
All right, it's time to eat some MK Quick Serve.
It's weird times, guys. It's weird times.
Any excuse to take off your mask. Right, we're gonna attempt to say one last goodbye to Brer Rabbit.
So long, farewell.
So this could be the last time you are on Splash Mountain.
Lots
Any
of
thoughts and feelings?
Well, you know, right now I'm reflecting on the time I first went on Splash Mountain, which was in Disneyland. And anyone, as we've talked about on the channel before, knows that going on Splash Mountain in Disneyland is an opportunity to reflect on your mortality. And so I have a feeling that part of the reason I work in end-of-life healthcare today is because of Splash Mountain. So I am grateful for what it's contributed to me. I am delighted about the changes. But this will be a journey of thoughts and feelings stretching as far back as my 5-year-old self and my sense of call and vocation. How about you?
Zippity-doo-dah. I forgot to pack my poncho that you're supposed to always pack when you go to the WDW, and we're on row 1. Didn't particularly want to be on row 1.
Nope. I told you I don't like getting wet on rides. We might.
This is the worst part to get wet though.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, no. I don't like that.
Stop number 2.
So when your mask gets wet, are you still safe from the convid?
Probably not.
Okay.
Last drop.
Hurrah! Last time ever on this grab.
Maybe. That's all. My eyes.
I didn't want to get wet. You get COVID in your eyes.
But I'm probably at my heart's content of Magic Kingdom.
Yep, that's all I needed.
You know, I can't pass up a American moment here.
America.
In Liberty Square. Where in the colonial times things were different.
Say more.
People did colonial things.
Okay, like what?
Like had sewage in the street.
Yeah. Oh! Are you gonna give us your
Oh yeah, because this brown stuff symbolizes the sewage that was in the street in colonial times.
education
And how there is no bathroom in Liberty Square.
Oh!
Officially. It's like I'm hesitant to touch stuff during times of convid, like America socks. Oh, it says America.
America.
America. America the beautiful. Also something you never see, Sleepy Hollow. There's no line wrapped around.
Truth.
Oh look, it's castle.
Let's observe it.
Let's observe the castle.
What are you observing?
I'm observing the paint job.
Tell me about your thoughts about the paint job.
It actually looks good in this angle. It's
Yeah.
like the DL castle. Castle.
Have you ever seen it like that?
It's kind of nice. Okay, I take it back. I like it.
I like it too. I'm
I
not
like
gonna
it.
lie.
It's good. It's good castle.
Castle.
And so, a full day at Magic Kingdom. full day for us. We got here at what time? 4-ish.
4?
It's 6:30.
We went on 2 rides and we ate.
Yep.
That's all we need. Get some pictures?
Yeah. Got some
good.
pictures. And you go in the confectionery.
I mean, I always
We're good. I like the cookies in there, which I can get
anywhere else.
anywhere else.
Yep. Breakfast cookies.
Yep. So, like, subscribe. Anything you want to say?
Tell your mom about this.
Oh yeah.
And God will shine upon you.